count of three, hereby dedicate this building. Medtronic, as you may know, is the leading medical technology company in the world. At last count, one of our many healthcare products impacts or affects a patient once every 4 seconds throughout the world. That's an amazing statistic if you think about it. So when we selected Jacksonville for our expansion, it demonstrated both our personal and our corporate commitment to making and being good citizens of the city and of the state of Florida. So in helping us to express this tenet of our mission, we indeed selected Jacksonville. In this new building, we will add approximately 175 new professional positions, as Robert had mentioned, and it'll happen over the next several years. So in closing, I want to thank all of you and all those that were involved in helping us make this expansion. We truly appreciate the extraordinary efforts that the city of Jacksonville and the state of Florida helped us in terms of making our business grow here in Jacksonville.
Basically, it takes all of us working together to put Jacksonville back to work, focusing on good paying jobs that create higher quality of life for all the Northeast Florida. Let me also make a comment about the council, our city council. I know Don Redmond is here, but I want to thank the council for working with us to make this day a reality. It's about really making sure that we invest in potential. And I want to thank Medtronic for allowing us to be a part of that expansion. $14 million in investment pushing us forward significantly. It also represents confidence that major companies see our city as a premier destination for the 21st century workforce. We're not just talking about jobs, we're talking about 175 new jobs, building new careers with an average salary of $80,000 a year. Now let me just say that one more time. 175 new jobs at an average salary of $80,000 a year. Now that is what we're talking about.